Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. You can translate in real time from any language you want, no matter if it's in Spanish, French, Italian or German, in English thanks to AI. So let's dive into the download extension. The first thing, we have to open our Chrome browser. We go on the top right of the screen in the three bullets, we click on it, we go to extensions, visit Chrome Web Store. Once we are in the Chrome Web Store, we have to search for Speak Subtitles for YouTube, and is this one, Speak Subtitle for YouTube. We click on it and we add it to Chrome. You can see how many users downloaded it. You can see the opinions, some description, some general description of the extension, and we add it to Chrome. Once added to Chrome, the extension will appear just right here in your browser. We find it, we anchor it, and that's all. As you can see, it's so simple, just a couple of clicks and we have the extension. So let's dive into the setup. So simple. Now we have the extension, okay, but how we set it up? So simple. I'm going to put a video. This is a video that I did in Spanish. How we set it up? We double click on it. Now it's enable. We can disable, and just we have to choose your preferred voice, if it's a female or a male. I like just the Google US English, and subtitle language the same. You choose English. The pitch is about the tone, that is about your voice. Don't touch it. The volume, I like it to have at the 100%, and the default speed and the maximum speed. This is the minimum speed of the translation. I like to have it on 90% and the maximum 130%. Speed up the voice. When the voice is lagging, you have two options, or you speed up the voice or you slow down the video. I prefer to speed up the voice, because if you slow down the video starts to talk like this. It is really horrible. So now let's check the extension, how it works. Okay, so we downloaded the extension, we set it up. Now we have to enable the extension. Please remind, you have to mute the original sounds of the video and unmute the sound of the extension. So let's try it.
Entrepreneurs, how are you? This video is super powerful because you will be able to translate any YouTube video regardless of the language into Spanish thanks to artificial intelligence. It does not matter if the video is in English and it is in French and it is in Italian and German, you will be able to translate it in real time thanks to artificial intelligence in Spanish. So
that was a video about this extension but in Spanish, and you can see that it translated completely and translate in real time with AI. So if you like this video, please let me a comment, give me a like, follow me and share it. Ciao!